Tired of budgeting apps? Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Or maybe you simply found a better budgeting solution. Whatever your reason, closing your PocketGuard account might be the next step. But how exactly do you do it? PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that helps users track their spending, set financial goals, and automate savings. While it can be a valuable tool for many, there are times when it's no longer the right fit. Perhaps you've outgrown its features, found a more budget-friendly alternative, or simply prefer a different approach to managing your finances. Closing your account might seem daunting, but it's a fairly straightforward process. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps and answer some frequently asked questions. Before we dive in, let's address a crucial point: what happens to your data when you close your account? Data deletion. PocketGuard's privacy policy outlines their data handling practices. Generally, when you close your account, they aim to delete your personal information from their servers. Data retention. However, it's important to note that some data might be retained for legal or regulatory purposes, such as to comply with tax laws or prevent fraud. Now, let's get to the actual account closure process. Log into your PocketGuard account, access the app on your mobile device or through the web browser. Locate account settings, look for the settings or account section within the app. This usually involves tapping on your profile icon or navigating to the app's main menu. Find the account closure option. Within the settings, you should find an option to close account, deactivate account, or something similar. Confirm closure. The app will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. Carefully review the information and click confirm or a similar action. Account closure. Once confirmed, your account will be closed. You might receive a confirmation message or email. Important considerations. Linked accounts. If you've linked any external accounts, like bank accounts or credit cards, to PocketGuard, ensure you disconnect them before closing your account. This prevents any further data sharing between the platforms. Subscriptions. If you have any active subscriptions associated with PocketGuard, like premium features, cancel them before closing your account to avoid further charges. Data export. If you wish to keep a record of your financial data, consider exporting it before closing your account. Some apps allow you to download a copy of your transaction history. Closing your PocketGuard account is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the implications. Review your data, disconnect linked accounts, and cancel any subscriptions before proceeding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.